Guys, this is the brand new harbor in Sanur. If you're going to Nusa Penida or Nusa Lembongan Islands, previously was a little bit messy, I could say, but now it's the beautiful brand new harbor and everything looks like it's supposed to be. Let's get inside, let's see how it looks like actually inside. After I make this beautiful intro, so exciting, also I was excited to get inside. Unfortunately, we cannot get inside if we are not cruising somewhere to different islands if we have no ticket. It's like literally like in the airport, you have no ticket, you cannot get inside. So it's actually nice, but unfortunately on to this occasion we are not going to Nusa Penida or Nusa Lembongan. We cannot show you how it's look inside, but well, it's very well organized, I believe. Everything looks like it's very well organized.
Just like behind me, you see the sign kedatangan, arrival, and also keberangkatan, departure. It means that they really make it a very well organized nowadays. And then inside there is a waiting room, aircon waiting room. So yeah, with the lounge and couch, something like that, exactly like in the airport. And the thing is that it's just like a small port, you know, like you don't need to jump to the water. But yeah, later on maybe Damian will show you how it is the port by the drone shot later on from the drone footage.
Actually, to be honest, when we are walking outside, I'm gonna tell you this is probably one of the most beautiful harbor in Southeast Asia I ever seen, because it's brand new. They opened like literally 3 weeks ago or something like that, and it's very modern. And when you enter, it looks like not harbor but like an airport. Seriously, they have a reception, they have a security, not so many crowd. Pretty nice actually. And on the other side you can see actually the boats are boating, so you no more walking on the water from the beach. Everything is like supposed to be. So basically you can see that's places for the boats, so definitely you can walk with your the boat, and shouldn't be a problem at all. And the harbor in the background is like this one with the lovely security who are patrolling us. Everything is okay. Long time ago, when we still lived in Padang Galang, we used to coming here at morning for breakfast, having a spicy fish. Unfortunately, it seems like all of these warungs are gone forever. This is probably because of the harbor, but well, what we can say, that's how it is.
I think that they will make a brand new things like complex of warung, a restaurant here.
The nice looking restaurants,
yes.
like we already mentioned since the past few days. Everything must look beautiful here. But that's how it is. Harbor looks beautiful, that's for sure. Also, some people have a villas just here overlooking the harbor. So if you are staying here, actually, if they could rent this, that will be perfect. You rent this villa, you just cross the street and you are going to Nusa Penida, Nusa Lembongan. That will be like a dream for some people. Sayang, seems like that's a good investment, huh? In Sanur again.
Again, guys, I think this is a good investment for those of you who are thinking to invest on the, what is it called, on the northern part of Sanur, especially in the area of Padang Galang, where the port, the Sanur port, now is a brand new, nice looking, well organized. And you know, over there you see that all the warung will be demolished and then will be brand new hotels or homestay, something like that.
I just filming some B-rolls and this guy nearly took my name. Unbelievable. Also, as you can see, so more and more happy tourists going to Nusa Penida from the brand new harbor, and seems like they are happy.
And they're also going to Nusa Lembongan. So this port actually driving to Nusa Penida and Nusa Lembongan.
So nice. And that's how it looks. Also nice decoration, Balinese style for everyone who are missing the Balinese vibes. But on the other side of the street there is still big empty field with the cows and the farmer somewhere here. Maybe actually he's working with the dogs. But the beautiful cows over here, check this out. Yo, what's up? They are just chilling. And just before the parking, before the harbor, there is the parking area, and this is the office where you could buy your tickets to going to wherever you like, in Nusa Lembongan, Nusa Penida, even to Gili. They have some tickets here, and also some bazaar, and this is the huge parking area. Actually, the parking remains the same like it was. So there is the brand new harbor. Still here is some construction ongoing that seems like this not finished 100% yet. And this is the beach, and actually old harbor was here. So every one of you should remember, as you have to pass going to the beach through these rocks and board the boat. But that's the only memory. Now it's much better, yes, sayang?
Yeah, so whenever you want to go to Nusa Penida or Nusa Lembongan, This is hassle-free. You know, brand new, not airport, brand new port actually.
Some local fishermen preparing the boats here, and this is actually the old warungs and all the part of the harbor. What currently not much is going on, except that as this guy have some nice fish here. Check this out. Very nice fish, huh? Fresh.
Kenapa ini beli?
Very nice. Red snapper, very nice indeed. And this is what's left, all the warungs here. Well, that was the most busiest part of the harbor, because that was the harbor actually previously, but now seems like only some warungs. Oh, this guy have a coffee machine. Maybe I could have a coffee now.
Maybe the sad things is about the brand new port. Actually, you see that this one is the complex of the local warungs, mostly always busy when departure time or arrival time. But you see now, almost I can say more than 50% the local warungs are closed because nobody coming here again. They just straightforward come to the port over there and buying ticket. Brand new thing open, other business slowly will be closing down.
So as always, you cannot make everyone's happy. Something new, some people might like it, some other people might be not happy because of this one are closed down, and that so on. It's gonna be future of Bali look like, because like I already mentioned many times, the development is going on. Also, in case if you ask, as you never saw any of my video from Nusa Lembongan and Nusa Penida, we have at least 20 videos on our channel. We used to travel to Nusa Penida and Nusa Lembongan through 2020, 2021, even 2022 this year, a few months ago. So please just check out all our videos. Just type TheMonkeys Nusa Penida or TheMonkeys Nusa Lembongan, and definitely you're gonna find so many hours of entertainment from those islands. Also behind these warungs, there are some old, I don't know if they are open or they are abandoned, but doesn't look very optimistic. Some bungalows or hotels or villas, not sure. Meanwhile, that's how it looks, the part of the harbor what only left. That was extremely busy here, guys.
Sayang, like you know, previously we go to Canggu, right? And many people saying support the local. Now we go to Sanur, support the local. Let's buy coffee and
actually,
breakfast.
the people who are working in the restaurant, they are also locals there. But this one is owned by the local boys here. Here we go. Yo, what's up? You have a coffee for me today, yeah? Ah, that's good. I wanna have a
look
hot
at the
cappuccino.
price. Beli bagus. Hot cappuccino kalih nge.
Sugar?
With sugar, yeah, please.
Ya. Atau gulanya dipisah bisa?
Oh, enggak
Langsung?
ada saset ya, langsung gula
Oke.
cair sih.
Oke.
I woke up in the middle of the night. Na, na, na. And I wondered how you're always right. It gets me.
Only some warungs are open, and yeah, I will just take you to stroll around how it is. The local warung surrounding, you know. Good things about the brand new port, actually that really well organized there, but the other side is the local warung. Some of the local warungs probably here sadly has to close down because of not much, you know, tourists coming here probably buying food, you know, while waiting for the boat, like this one. Some younger people are coming here just buying for the coffee, breakfast. Yeah, what I can say, like this one, nasi campur seller, and any other warung is closed. Some are still open, but yes. This is the pisang goreng. Maybe I will come here later on also to buy pisang goreng. Nasi campur. You see? Another pisang goreng seller. Look so tempting. Even the small coffee shop here, you see? I can say it's a bit more fancier, but unfortunately empty. And yeah, now I will show you the old port while people normally waiting for the queue, buying ticket. So you see, it's empty. This is the path. The stairs actually used to be, when departing time, people are going there and jump to the boat. But now it's just like this, empty port. Nobody are here. Changes in life, either good, bad, something for the better. For the Sanur, better also for the Balinese people, better also for the tourists.